Hi, Dr. Bella speaking, checking in from Madeira, from a lovely hotel, and I'm checking in, and I wanted to talk about a little bit my experience as a medical doctor. So first of all, what I see here is a lot of obesity, so people having terrible diets, eating big meals, consuming a lot of alcohol, and putting a lot of salt on their food, and not having exercise at all. And it might seem as a holiday treat, but I don't think so. I think these people having the same diet at home. How do I know that? Because I'm vegan, we are vegan, and we are here. We are following our diets. We have tiny cheats because in an island like Madeira, you can't follow a full vegan diet. So we have a little bit of this, little bit of that, but just a little bit. So we can 80% maintain our vegan diet. We carry our soy milk with us, and if they can't make a coffee with soy milk, we give our milk and they do it. So it's fine. So if you have a lifestyle, you don't give it up. So whatever I see those people living their normal lifestyle. So this is one thing. And the other thing is, as a dermatologist, so what I see people doing, lying out in the very, very strong sun. So myself, I'm putting a lot of cream on my face, sun cream, 50 SPF, and wearing a sunproof top and hat to protect my bald top of my head. But people doing with a lot of moles, so really risking their lives, lying in the harsh sun and baking themselves all day long, and I just don't understand why is it, what's good in it, because it's hot, it's inconvenient, and if you gain a little bit of tan, that lasts for a week or so, but the price, the DNA damage, that's cumulative, so it doesn't go away, the tan goes away, but the damage to your skin never goes away, it adds up, and at a certain point you can end up with a little melanoma, skin cancer, or a BCC, a basal cell skin cancer. So people are absolutely not taking care about their body. As I mentioned, obesity or sun protection, and I don't want to even talk about smoking, which is for me really an act of not appreciating your body at all, because it breaks so easily, and talking a lot of patients, friends, there's a lot of death around me, and they say we have two lives, and the second life starts when you realize that you have only one. And a lot of people realize this too late. And when I see people doing these things that I've been talking about, I think they are still living their first life. And they haven't figured it out that we have only one. Because if they did, I wouldn't see people consuming huge meals. I wouldn't see people lying in the sun, baking themselves, and these kind of things. So this is my medical doctor perspective, checking in from a beautiful holiday place like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.